Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are about to embark on another creativity in our kitchen. So as you can see, I have some potatoes, eggs and courgette. So let's get straight in the video. First, I'll be grating my potatoes with the grater, or if you have a chopper you can do it. If you don't want to grate your potatoes, you can do just what suits you with them. After grating my potatoes, I'll be rinsing them with some cold water. And the reason for rinsing them is to get some of the starch out of the potatoes. While I'm rinsing my potato, let's get to know each other. My name is Anne-Marie, and what is your name? Where did you find my video from? How did you come across my channel? And which of my recipe you like the most? You can see all that starch that's coming from the potato. Then when I see the starch, I said, I have to give it another rinse. So I did rinse it twice. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, be sure to touch the subscribe button and make sure your notification bell is on so you will not miss another recipe from this channel. So I've gone ahead and start grating my courgette. After grating the courgette, I'm going to give it a rinse as well. There was no need to rinse the courgette, but I just thought, let me just give it a little rinse just to rinse out some of that. You know, courgette can be a little bit slimy when you grate it, so I just give it a little rinse to get rid of some of that. Then I'll be cutting off of an onion and off bell pepper. I hope you're enjoying this recipe as we cook together. So after chopping my fresh ingredients, I go straight ahead. I had some rice oil to my pan, and then I begin by sauteing the potato. Then I cover and let it steam for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I have the courgettes. And then we combine and allow to steam for a further 5 minutes. Then I had my peppers and onions. And then we're gonna season to taste. So there I had some chopped garlic, some paprika, and some crushed chili, garlic, salt, and whatever seasoning you can find in your cupboard that suits your palate, you can go ahead and add it. There I'm adding some crushed black peppercorn, and I combine and leave it to simmer for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to be making our nest hole to add our eggs. So we'll be adding 5 eggs to this nest. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So after 5 minutes, our nest is ready, and look at that baby. This was so delicious. It was a very filling breakfast. And then I just paired it with some avocado, and did I enjoy? We had a treat with this. Everyone in my home, they loved it so much. I was even asked to make it another time again. And that is why I don't really like making certain recipes, because it's always been requested over and over again. I hope you enjoy watching as I enjoy making this recipe for you, and I'll see you again in the next video. Until I come again, this is Anne's Cooking. Say God bless and bye bye for now.